guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am doing the first day of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I'm going to try my best to upload every single day until December 25th, so please stay tuned. Comment below any video ideas that you want me to do in the month of December and I will definitely try to do them. But for today's video I am going to be decorating my house for Christmas. I love these videos so much and I know you guys do too, so I'm so excited to actually do it. I did my room like a month ago because I am obsessed with Christmas, but now I finally get to do my house and I'm so excited because we're going to be decorating the tree and everything like that. So with all that being said, if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. I am also having an iPad giveaway, so I will have that video linked down below if you want to know how to enter. All you have to do is just go watch that video to see how to enter. And with all that being said, comment a red heart down below and let's get into the video. So I'm in my attic right now because that is where all my Christmas stuff is, and I'm gonna take it down to my living room. So first things first, I'm going to take down this pre-lit cashmere pencil tree, and we do have a bigger one for our main like Christmas tree where we put all the Christmas presents under, but I feel like the Christmas tree is the hardest thing to take down these stairs, so that's what I'm gonna do first.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here.
Now I have this big little bag of ornaments. I think this bag is really heavy, so I'm not going to videotape myself bringing it down the stairs because I need someone's help. So this goes in my window, and then these are all ornaments that go on my tree, and then like underneath there's like different little bins that all the ornaments go in, so this is just how we store them. So this has to go downstairs for the big Christmas tree as well. We don't put any on the little tree that I showed you guys before. We have like a different theme for that tree. I just took some of the stuff out of my attic and now we're gonna bring it downstairs to the living room just so it's easier and not so like crowded up there.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
This is everything that I brought down so far. Again, those are the ornaments. That's just some Christmas decor. This is the tree. This is a Christmas tree skirt and the Christmas tree little stand, and then we have some pillows. And we picked up these ornaments from the store at the mall, and it's these little people and they have masks on because obviously this was what a year. But then we picked up this little Christmas tree toilet paper little ornament, which is really cute as well, and it just says Merry Christmas 2020. All right, so I'm gonna empty all of these bags so I can see what's in everything so I can properly lay it out in my house. So this is where we're gonna put the pre-lit smaller tree that we have, the one that's like the cashmere one that I took out of the attic first. So it's gonna go like right here, and I'm gonna do that right now. Fixed it. So I don't know if you guys saw before, but the tree was being weird, only like some of it was lit. But I think when I was like fixing the leaves and making them fluffier, I connected the little adapter that needed to be connected to the other part of the tree. So this is the bottom part of the tree, and here comes the next part. So I thought it was going good, and I got the tree all fluffed and everything like that, and then the bottom part of the tree just decided to go out again. So this is what I'm working with right now, and I have to figure out where the connector is to make that become lit again. Fixed it. It is now all lit, and now I'm gonna put the tree skirt on the bottom because that's kind of like what makes the tree look all special and complete other than the ornaments. So now I'm going to take these pillows and put them on this little bench right here because our Christmas tree goes right here, so it's kind of like a nice accent. So 2 pillows go here, and I believe something goes on that one, but I'm not sure exactly what.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that.
Now I'm going to replace these pillows with the red pillows that I have over there. So one pillow is going to go there and the other pillow is going to go on this chair. And that's just because it's a good accent with the skirt and everything like that. This is what this area looks like with the pillows and the tree and everything like that. Just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek. I'm going to put a Christmas wreath right where this mirror is. So I'm going to take the mirror off, hand it to someone in my family, and then put the wreath up. I just added these reindeer next to the tree because I thought it looked really cute like that. These decorations, I have no idea where they're from, but I think that the gold reindeer looks so pretty with the lights, and then the red sparkling one really adds a lot, and like the accent of red is really cute.
Last year I thought about
Just took the bigger tree, our like main Christmas tree, down from the attic, and it was really hard to take down the stairs, but we did it and we're about to put it up right here. I put the tree up and the garland and the star at the top, and now I'm going to do the ornaments. There's also the skirt on the bottom and the poinsettias. I think this should be the first one to go on the tree. This one is next, the little toilet paper tree. I think I'm gonna put it right here. So this ornament is a hand cookie that I made with my grandma. I don't remember what year it was because we didn't date it, but it was when I was very young, and this was my hand when I was very young. This isn't cookie dough, it's like dough that is made to stay out. You just can't eat it, obviously. It's kind of like ceramics, if that makes sense. So I have this little hand ornament that my mom absolutely loves because it reminds her of me as a child. Much needed ornament.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
This tree is now complete, and now we are going to put these older ornaments. For instance, this one is from 1998. They were my grandma's, on the other tree that we have by the TV. So for the most part, this tree is done and this tree is done as well. So the only other room we have to do is the dining room over there. So for the most part, this whole room is done. This is like the TV/living room. Now we are going to do this area of the house. So this is the kind of like window room where everyone could see in. So we like to put garland here and some nice decorations. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Probably something on the table and some things over there as well. These are some Christmas trees we got. I'm not sure where they're from, but they're just really small Christmas trees that are really, really cute. This is the garland that I am going to put along the windowsill right here on the bottom, and then we have different garland to put on the top.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh.
The house is complete, and this is the final footage of everything and how it looks and everything. I think it looks so good. this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. I am doing Vlogmas, like I said, and this was just the first day, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you watched up into this point of the video, comment a red heart. With all that being said, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.